What I get in a week of PR. Let's get into it. So we got Charlotte Tilbury, and it's their Sleek Cheat Eyeliner Duo. So we got dark on one side and light on the other. Next up is L'Oreal. So we got their True Match Foundation with a little mixing palette on the back. There's also some coloured pigments in there as well for you to play around and mix them in with your foundation to get the perfect shade. Next is Ardell. So they've added some lashes, some nail polish, lipstick and some liners and a whole bunch of candy. I've never received anything from NYX, so I'm so excited for this. Ooh! So you just peel back the layers. Look how much stuff is in there. We have lashes and eyeshadow, lipsticks and lip gloss, lip liners and eyeliners, more liquid liners, lash glue and setting spray. Next we got this humongous box from Karma. Let's open it up. Oh. We got some hair products from Schwarzkopf, Lime Crime and Wet Brush and this cute little hair clip. Lime Crime lipsticks, MAC mascara and lip products, Barry M eyeliners and the Green Beauty blender. Urban Outfitters Space Paste glitter, glow in the dark paints, some Queen Cosmetics lashes, and these two Queen Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. A whoopee cushion, this creepy hand, these mini skulls, fake spiders and these fake cockroaches. Last we got this Makeup Revolution advent calendar. Ooh. Should I save this for Christmas? That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.